Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make vegan tzatziki. So this is a traditional Greek dish which normally you would have with some olives and pittas and things like that, or you can just have it alongside your favourite dish just as a little side accompaniment. So now the weather's warming up, that'd be a great addition to a barbecue, and I hope that you enjoy this recipe. Please stay tuned and we'll get started with it. First of all, what I'm going to do is take my shredded cucumber, and I've got my soy yogurt here in a bowl. If you don't want to use soy yogurt, you can use traditional Greek yogurt, which is how it would be made. And what I'm going to do is grab my cucumber, give it a little squeeze before I add it into my yogurt. So now I've squeezed off my cucumber, I'm just going to give my hands a little rinse off, and I'll see you back in a minute. My hands are now clean again, and that is all the liquid that's come out of our cucumber. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save that. It is absolutely fine to drink, it's literally just cucumber water. I'm going to pop that off to the side. So our cucumber is in with our yogurt now, and then to that I'm just going to add a lemon juice. This is fresh lemon juice I've got here, and my mint, which I've just chopped up, and then I'm going to season that with a bit of salt and a bit of black pepper. And the final thing to add in is some garlic. Now I'm using a garlic puree. I'm using this because it's a little bit easier and it's a bit lazy. If you didn't have this, you can actually use a garlic clove and just grate it in. What you don't want is big chunks of garlic, so that's something nice and fine. I'm going to add a teaspoon. And then give it a stir to combine it. So that's our tzatziki made. It's nice and thick as well. So that's it, that's our easy tzatziki made with a vegan yogurt alternative. As I said before, if you go with dairy, you can actually use traditional Greek yogurt, which is how it's made. And I'm off to go and enjoy some of this now and have this with some crackers and hummus, just as like a little bit of a picky lunch. So I do hope you have enjoyed this video. If you do make this recipe, do leave me a comment down in the description box just to let me know what you're going to do and what you might eat it with. And if you like these quick recipes, just let me know so I know to make more. There is a couple of other barbecue sauces that are great that I can make as well. Now it's coming up to a bit of warm weather. Don't forget you can subscribe to my channel. You can either click down below or click up here and catch my previous video just over here. Thank you ever so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!